Hey everyone! Welcome back to our drawing channel, Kids Drawing Magic. Today, we're going to draw a cute hen step by step. Grab your pencil and paper and let's get started. First, let's draw the hen's head. On top of the head, draw the comb using small curved bumps. Start by drawing a small round shape, like a circle. Now, draw a big circle for the eye. Add a tiny dot inside for the pupil. Next, draw a small triangle shape for the beak. Below the beak, add a wattle with two small curved shapes. Great job! Now add the tail at the back with a few long curved feathers. Beautiful! Now let's draw the body. Make it nice and round. Draw a wing on the body using curved lines. Awesome! Let's finish it up. Time for the legs. Draw two thin legs under the body. Add 3 small toes on each foot. Perfect! Now draw highlights. Now it's time to color. Color the comb and wattle red. Use brown or orange for the body. Make the beak yellow. Great job! Add any background you like. Awesome job, everyone! Your hen looks amazing! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your drawing with us. See you in the next video.